Hi, Jane here from Poppy Patchwork, and I'm back for another video. I know it's been a while. I need to take some time out and recharge my batteries. And along the way I did lose my sewing mojo for a bit. So to get the mojo back, I needed something to make that was quick and easy and just a bit of fun really. So this is what this video is about. I hope you enjoy. Today I'm going to show you how to make a gusseted cushion. I've used a pattern by Cluck Cluck Sew and the link is in the description below. I selected 12 fabrics from my Bonnie and Camille fabric stash. Plus I needed fabrics for the gusset and the back of the cushion. And because I quilted the cushion top, I also needed some wadding and some additional fabric for the quilt sandwich. All the measurements can be found on the pattern, which is in the video description below. I started by using the template to cut 12 shapes. Then I laid them all out. I placed them right sides together in pairs and I sewed from the point to the curve. And then I pressed the seams to one side. I laid them back out and I made sure that all the seams were pressed in the same direction. Then I sewed in pairs, butting the seams together again and sewing from point to curve. I pressed them and then I sewed the third pair to make the cushion into two halves. I pressed and I sewed the two halves together. Then I made my quilt sandwich and I quilted along the seams using my favourite wiggle stitch. I folded the top in half and I folded the backing fabric in half and then I cut the backing fabric to size. Now from here on in you need to use a 1/2 inch seam allowance. I pinned the gusset right sides together with the cushion top. I've put my seam guide onto my sewing machine and I found this really useful because I'm so used to sewing 1/4 inch. I found it handy to get the 1/2 inch right. Once it was all sewn together, I pinned with right sides together the cushion back and the gusset. And when I did that, remember, leave a gap to stuff your cushion. Once finished, I turned it through and I stuffed it with polyester toy filling. I hope you've enjoyed this video and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Happy quilting and bye for now!